Tybalt, the reason that I have to love thee doth much excuse the appertaining rage to such a greeting. Villain am I none, therefore farewell. I see thou knowest me not.
Boy, thee shall not excuse the injuries that thou hast done me. Therefore turn and draw.
I do protest, I never injured thee, but love thee better than thou canst devise, till thou shalt know the reason of my love. And so, good Capulet, which name I tender as dearly as mine own, be satisfied.
Oh, calm, dishonorable, vile submission. Alas, staccato carries it away. Tybalt, you rat catcher. Will you walk?
What wouldst thou have of me?
King of cats, nothing but one of your 9 lies, and I mean to make bold withal, and as ye shall use my hereafter dry beat the rest of the 8. Will you pluck your sword out of his pilcher by the ears? Make haste, lest mine be about your ears, it be out.
I am for you.
Gentle Mercutio, put thy sword up.
Come, sir, your posada.
Gentlemen, stop! This day's black fate on more days doth depend, but this begins to woe, others must end.
A plague of both your houses! They have made worms meat of me. I have it. And soundly too. Your houses! A plague of both your houses!
Now, Tybalt, take the villain back again. That late thou gavest me from Mercutio's soul is but a little way above our heads, staying for thine to keep him company. Either thou or I, or both, must go with him.
Thou wretched boy, that didst consort him here, shall with him hence.
This shall determine that. The prince will doom my death if I am taken. Hence be gone away. Oh, I am fortune's fool.
What wouldst thou have? Ready? Yep. I am for you. I looked at the camera. Ready? I am for you.
Take the villain back again. That late thou gavest me from Mercutio's soul is but a little way above our heads. Staying for thine to keep them company.
Don't cuss. Some blood.
Oh, that's good. That is nice.
It's nice and chunky, just like blood should be. You were very safe. We're about to go outside and do some filming. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Put thy sword up. Go, sir, your persona.
Do you want me to stop it there?
That's a lot of blood.
It's a lot of blood. I don't think we needed that much, but...
Well, we need it to cover up my neck to make it really look like I had my throat slit. So we're trying to figure out blood. We've got an air compressor over there. We have way too much blood here, so we're going to go test out PSI by taping it to a wall or something.
You're not supposed to be dead yet. Oh, no.
Ready?
And then, that's when you're supposed to die, in between those lines. Wait, what was it? This shall determine that.
Just say it, and then launch.
This shall determine that.
Okay. The rap on Romeo and Juliet, baby! That's pretty great, huh?